Nakakuha ito point ko. Alagay mo na sa ulo.
Ano?
Hindi pa.
Test. Oh my God. Ayan. Okay. Check. 1, 2. Yan. Check. Oo. Lagyan naman ng echo mamaya kasi once you're singing, mas maganda kung may echo. Diba? Mamaya. Pero do I still have to use the microphone when I'll be there already? May lagyan na. Sige. So, lagyan mo mamaya ng please. So, pagpasok mamaya, once na tinawag na yung name ko, isulis pa. Sino ba? Kanino ba sasabi? So, mamaya pag tinanong na, pagtawag na po yung name ko, and then sana po agad yung music, sabayan ko na agad while going to yeah, just 1 track, just 1.5 minutes, parang intro lang, parang lalagay ko lang yung papa. Alright. Testing, check, yeah. Tinatry naman lagyan ng ng echo ng konti. Yeah, para at least alam ko. Okay, oo. I-try mo nga kung with the music, i-try mo just the first part of it, just to make sure that it works. Yeah, not really rehearsed, but I just want to know kung konti lang, okay.
Just to make sure na i-export yun, kasi kung minsan meron yung na hindi gumagana sa sige, mamaya na lang. Since when pa, i-explain pa na may segment na
ano sila eh. Lagi sila nagbabanda dito sa show na to.
And just to make sure that it works. Bali, saka na lang i-on yung lapel pag nandun na ako. So, ito muna and then yung lapel sa kanila. Okay lang. Paniwalaan ko na lang. Yung ang gusto mo sa lalaki. Please, baby, can't you see my mind's a burning hell? I get wasted to rip and turn, just stripping my heart apart as well. Tonight, you told me that medyo i-up lang yung para hindi masawa. My name is looking like something I might do for you. Go on and hold till the screaming is gone. Go on, believe what you tell me nothing's wrong. But I'm the only one who wants the fire. Yeah, yeah.
Hindi, sa baba niya siya.
I have to make sure that my powder is okay.
Oh, I don't like that. Dito na lang.
TV stirred up.